Hello sir, I'm Julian Sayahan. Today I will be answer the assessment. Number 1. How can you define a simple root in Laravel and what will be a real-life sample? In a Lara- in Laravel, you define roots in the roots web.php file for web roots. A simple roots maps a URL path to a closure or control action. Number 2. How do you name roots work in Laravel and how you might use them in a real-world application? Name roots allow you to assign a name to roots which you can then use to generate URLs or redirect, redirects. This is useful because if the URL changes, you only need to update the root's definition, not every place where the URL is used. Number 3. What is the purpose of roots group in Laravel and how might they be used? Root groups allow to share root attributes such middleware, namespace, prefix, or other settings across multi-roots, reducing repetition. Number 4. How does middleware work in Laravel and can you provide a practical example? Middleware acts as a filter for HTTP requests entering your application. It can inspect, modify, or reject requests before they reach your routes and controls. Example: Laravel includes an add middleware that checks if a user is logged in. Number 5. How can you handle form submission and CSRF protection in Laravel? Laravel automatically protects your application against cross-site requests for CSRF attack by requiring a CSRF token on post, put, path, or delete requests.